The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 4 Ukrainian command posts, 53 artillery units at their firing positions, 142 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 5 missile, artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Glushkovka, Kupiansk in Kharkov region, Konstantinovka and Fedorovka in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as Novaya Kaluga in Kherson region. Russian air defense facilities have shot down one Su-25 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Kiselovka in Nikolaev region. Moreover, 10 unmanned aerial vehicles, including one US-manufactured Switchblade 600, have been intercepted near Poltava in Lugansk People's Republic, Petrovskoye, Staromayorskoye, Nikolskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, Dmitrienko, Tomarino, Chaykino in Kherson region, and Tavricheskoye in Dnepropetrovsk region. In addition, 18 projectiles launched by HIMARS and Olha MLRS have been destroyed in the air near Svobodnoye in Donetsk People's Republic and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. 2 US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missiles have been shot down near Kakhovka hydroelectric power plant. In total, 323 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,236 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,792 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 869 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,475 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,580 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.